And on this platform, I hope to be able to provide you with long-term biases for your trading week. I hope to be able to give you a breakdown of what the market is doing per time and help you better formulate a trading direction for the week. Having said that, please, if you're new here, kindly click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I drop new videos. And before we get into the video, please, whatever it is that you're seeing on any of my forecast videos is simply from a technical standpoint. It is not 100% guaranteed, but I can assure you of at least 88 to 90% accuracy in this analysis. All right, I can assure you of that. So sit back, relax, and then let us do what we are all here for. So we're looking at a chart of Euro AUD, all right, and quickly I want to also formulate a major bias for the overall trend. Okay, so on the daily time frame, we're seeing something interesting. All right, we're seeing something interesting. We're seeing a very strong overall bearish direction. However, it seemed price seemed to have reversed market direction with this impulse. All right, price seemed to have reversed directions with that impulse, and then right now we're seeing price bouncing back up from this other block. The same price bounce back from that other block. This is something to watch out for. So we see that price seems to be creating a kind of pattern here, right? Price is creating a wedge pattern right here. Okay, so this is from the daily perspective, right? This is from the daily perspective. So I want us to take a deeper look and, or let me say, let's take a closer look at the lower time frames as we run through our top-down analysis. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, we're seeing that we've had this equal lows. All right, and both of them have been taken out at this particular spot. All right, and then right now we're seeing that we've had these equal highs. Okay, and right now we've not had a high that has been higher than this. Okay, we don't have a high that's higher than that yet. So this looks more like a liquidity grab for a possible bearish direction. Well, let's check on the 1 hour time frame as well. All right, so on the 1 hour time frame, we're getting to see this picture a lot clearer. We're getting to see the picture a lot clearer. So on the 1 hour time frame, we're saying that this is an order block. Price might possibly want to react from there, but I doubt it. And for me, my coins or my chips are still going to be in favor of the bearish trend. All right, my chips are still going to be in favor of the bearish trend, at least up until price comes back to retest this trend line. All right, that trend line. Let's see on the 15 minutes. Let's see what we have. Okay, this is 15 minutes. It's not looking so clear. All right, it's not looking so clear. But let's see on the 3 minutes. Let's see if we have something steady. Okay. All right, so on the 3 minutes, I'm seeing a couple of possibilities. All right, I'm seeing a couple of possibilities. But regardless of what I'm seeing right here, it still looks like a really choppy movement. So I wouldn't want to work based on assumptions. All right, I wouldn't want to work based on assumptions. Um, Seeing that this low is still very much in place. All right, that low is still in place, and then we've not even tested this low at all. So if I'm going to be clearly bearish on this trade, I'm going to want to see at least a little bit of a drop to at least break this low. All right, and then come back into somewhere around here. Okay, so that we can have price entering back into this other block in a very clean manner, and then from there I would have no doubts about about my bearish trend or my bearish continuation, at least up until price gets to gets to come back to somewhere around here. Okay, so if I wanted to take that trade, let me quickly do this on the 15 minutes. Set that up nicely. Okay, let's set that up. Set that up. Let's set that up. Okay, and then I'll be looking for. Let's see what that trade is potentially going to look like. All right, so if this plays out, this is actually going to be there's a potential 1:18 risk to reward trade. And really that excites me. I'm looking forward to seeing exactly what price ends up deciding to do within that zone. All right. However, my first bet would be that price drops down at least to somewhere here. All right, this will be my first area of concern. All right, or my first POI. So depending on what price does within that other block will determine whether we get to go all the way down to 1:18 or whether we just get to stick with 1:7 risk to reward. So please let me know what you think. Let me know what you're seeing. Let me know exactly how you feel about this analysis. Is this something you'll be looking forward to trading, or does it feel like something you want to avoid? Let me hear your comments. Please drop your comments in the comment section, and I hope that you've been able to get some amazing value. And please do well to check the rest of my analysis video. Let me know what you also think about all of that. And if you ever need mentorship, you need someone to put you through to help you learn the ropes in the financial markets, you can easily reach out to me. I can promise you one of the best kinds of results that you're going to have in your trading career. All right, I can promise you that without gainsaying. Okay, so I just saw this. All right, and the fact that that other block has actually been mitigated in the past. Nonetheless, I want to see price get to it first before I decide whether to go for 1:18 or stick with 1:7. All right, so please do well to watch the rest of my videos. Let me know what you also think in the section. And till when next I come your way again, I want to say a big God bless you. Have a lovely rest of the trading week. Until when next I come your way, please do trade carefully. God bless you.